Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this December the 2nd, 2024. I'm hoping everybody had a great Monday out there so far. Everybody has a great Monday evening. Everybody can stay safe and well, and also enjoy the weather because the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be looking at the lower 48. We're going to be looking at these little clipper systems moving to the south and east. This system here, there's one little clipper system moving through Kentucky, Ohio, portion of Indiana, West Virginia, moving down into North Carolina, may clip northern portion of South Carolina, could bring a little bit of light snow to the area, maybe a few flurries and stuff as it moves through this region. Right now, the dew points, I looked at the current dew point. The dew point's pretty much down in the teens. But the atmosphere is going to have to moisten up some before any of this stuff will reach the ground. Some of the observations over around the Tennessee, Kentucky region, there is some reaching the ground, but there is some observations that is not reaching the ground. But as soon as the atmosphere moistens up a little bit, you probably start to see a little bit of light snow falling from the clouds. Alright, as you can see, we got some more activity back upstream here. We got a little system here moving through the Dakotas, moving into Nebraska, kind of moving southeast toward Missouri. We got pretty much right now just a high pressure ridge right now setting pretty much over Texas. That's what's funneling all this system down into the southeast. These little clipper systems moving through. You can see the northern jet up here buckling down across the southeastern United States. There's the southern jet, but it's too far to the south to kind of connect with any of these systems here to bring a good snow to the Carolinas yet. But I would not rule out some snowfall possible later on this winter across the southeastern U.S. Alright, let's move on to the current forecast charts. This is your local forecast. But if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Also like these videos, share these videos, and let's continue to get the show on the road there, folks. Alright, you can see we got snow flying up here in portion of New Hampshire, to Vermont, to New York State, to Pennsylvania, all the way back to Michigan, northern Michigan, Wisconsin, and also northern portion of Minnesota. Up here across southeast Canada, we got some mixed precipitation, northwestern Minnesota as well. We got some mixed precipitation and some freezing rain possible. We got some thunderstorms and showers down here around Texas and northeast Mexico and the Gulf of Mexico as well. And elsewhere, it's pretty quiet and cold across the east. It's quiet and a little bit warm across the west. Alright, let's move on to your Wednesday forecast. You can see we got some snow flying from northern Maine down to Pennsylvania. Also more from Wisconsin, northern portion of Michigan, also southeast Canada around Lake Superior. More snow flying over here from southwest Canada into Montana. We got some heavy snow over portion of northern Michigan with mixed precipitation elsewhere from southeast Canada through Michigan to Kentucky to Tennessee, all the way to Delaware, New Jersey, Rhode Island, all the way to portion of Maine, also in the coastal waters. We got thunderstorms and showers over here in portion of Tennessee to Georgia to Alabama, Mississippi, Arkansas, Louisiana, Texas, down into the Gulf of Mexico. Showers over here in portion of western Washington and northwestern Oregon State, and also coastal water, and also some mixed precipitation over in areas of Washington State. Otherwise, just expect fair weather and warmer temperatures across the southeast, a little bit cooler across the north, and cooler temps and warmer temps in the southwest U.S. Alright, now let's move on to the current watches warning advisory map for your location across the nation. Okay, as you can see, we still got those lake effect snow warnings up here in portion of New York State, northwestern portions of Pennsylvania, northeastern Ohio. Also some winter weather advisories up here in areas of New York State. Special weather statements up here for that little clipper system stretching from Indiana, southern Illinois, portion of Missouri, much of Kentucky, portion of Tennessee, western Virginia, even the mountains of western North Carolina as well, getting a little bit of snow flurry activity as well. Also, we got freeze warnings down here in portions of Georgia and also in Florida with frost advisories there as well. We got some winter weather advisory, winter storm warnings over Michigan and northern Michigan, high wind warnings over Montana. Also, we have some air quality alerts out here in areas of Idaho and also into Oregon State. And also we have, let's see, freezing fog advisory portion of Oregon, and also a frost advisory along the coastal areas of Oregon as well. Alright, we got them small craft advisory gale warning stretching from up here around Boston all the way to the Outer Banks of North Carolina, southern South Carolina to the Florida Keys, west coast, southwest coast of Florida, then from southern Louisiana, southeast Texas. Hawaiian Chain Island looks good. The west coast of the U.S. looks good as well. Small craft advisory, gale warning, freezing spray warning around the coastal areas of Alaska, and we have some winter weather advisories also in effect for central and southern Alaska. Okay, let's move on to the Storm Prediction Center. We do have no severe weather over the next 7 days, but we just have some general thunderstorms on day 3 from Houston to Shreveport to Lubbock to Jackson to Greenville, Mississippi, and also Alexandria, Louisiana. Some general thunderstorm, but no severe weather as expected. Alright, let's take a look at the Columbia, South Carolina weather radar. Right now, pretty much most of the states are clear. You can see that activity fixing to move into the Asheville area, probably in the next hour or so. You can see a little bit of activity moving into western portion of South Carolina up around Oconee, also in the portion of northwest Pickens. Right now, just probably not reaching the ground, probably just beginning to moisten up the atmosphere as it continues to move off to the east and southeast. Alright, well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. Like the video, share the video, and make sure you subscribe as well. Also enjoy the weather, because the only weather you got. Take care and have a wonderful Monday evening, folks.